Hi, I'm Alex. Today we're going to show you how to install the CleanCore Solutions 1000 for ice makers. This is a real simple process. Step one, we're going to unplug the machine, as so. Step two, we're going to disable our water here. The next step, we're going to find a place to mount our box within a decent distance of our outlet behind the machine and a decent distance within our plumbing here. We're going to take our box. We're going to judge our distance to our outlet. I can reach that, and I can get easy access to my plumbing here. And it's just that simple. In your kit, you're going to find a blue air dryer. The air dryer is used to dry the air before it enters the box. The drier the air we have, the better ozone we're going to produce. There's a flow arrow on this, so we're going to have our barb fitting for our small hose that goes on the bottom here. And then we're going to mount this either like this or like this near the machine so that the customer can see it. In this case, we have a unique circumstance where this water-cooled machine has been hard plumbed in 1/2-inch copper. We're going to have to remove the filter and do a little bit more plumbing work than what we would normally do to install an ice maker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this old filter assembly. I'm going to take this split union apart. I'm going to cut our copper here, and I will cut this back here as well so that I can get new fittings placed on there so I can plumb to my box. Now with our filter assembly removed, I'm going to use these two shark bite fittings and these two small John Guest fittings to convert from 1/2-inch to the 3/8 tubing we use to connect to the box. With these completed, we can simply shove our shark bite fittings onto the copper fittings. They'll lock on just like that. And if you have to take them back off, you pull back on the black section and they come back off. So they just push right on there, and we are installed there. And we are installed there. We're ready to complete our 3/8 plumbing now. Now with those fittings installed, we'll go ahead and remove our protective red insert from the inlet side of our box. We'll take our 3/8 tubing and we will shove it directly into that fitting. Grab our cutter, come over here, get a good idea of how long we want it. Simply cut off our excess and into our other John Guest fitting. Our inlet is complete. Now on our outlet side, we're kind of cramped over here, so we're going to use a stem to John Guest here. This will insert in the side of the outlet. We'll come down and we'll connect to our other John Guest fitting right here. We'll give ourselves a little extra loop here so we're not kinking our 3/8 PEX tubing here. Cut off our excess again. Insert into our John Guest fitting, and we've completed our plumbing for our 1000. With our plumbing complete, we're going to go ahead and turn our water back on slowly, just to make sure if we do have any leaks, we can get it stopped before it's a real mess. No leaks. Then we're going to plug both our 1000 and our ice maker back in, and that will complete our install.